Friends, my name is Narendra. In this video, I will tell you about Active GPS, that is application. With the help of that application, we can collect GPS point offline. Okay, so I'm typing Active GPS on the Play Store. I am installing this application from Play Store only. I'm not installing this application from any another source. Okay, so right now it's installing. It's only of 3 MB. You can use this application in aeroplane mode as well. You don't need any kind of internet connection or any kind of Wi-Fi connection for using effective GPS or collecting record location of plant or household or CGA or any kind of dispensary. I'm opening the active GPS. Now in the active GPS there are three modes: high, fast, normal and slow. I will click on fast because I will collect data as fast. When you will click on start service, service will start. Okay, and if you want to stop service, you have to click on stop service. Okay, start service, if you are seeing start service, it means application is not running, and if you clicked on stop service, it means application is stopped. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Have a great day ahead.